Hi guys, I'm Jake Kelly and I'm the chief farmer here at Chipotle Gardens. So the technology we use is called a tower garden, and it's an aeroponic growing system, so we don't use any soil. There's a pump in the bottom that's attached to piping up the middle of the tube, and it pumps water and nutrients to the top, and then there's a shower cap head, so it just trickles down over all the roots. So we don't use any soil, so we end up avoiding, there's no weeding, we avoid a lot of the different bugs, a lot of diseases that you would get with traditional farming. And also we use about 5% of the water, so it's really environmentally friendly. We have zero soil space on this property, and I don't own any land, and I don't want to be outside the city. I want to be in the city. So this is really the only option for me, is to find a rooftop space and grow vertically. What's interesting is a lot of the soil that we're growing in these days is really nutrient deficient, and so the plants that we're getting actually aren't getting the nutrients that they used to or that they need. And so what we've done is we put a nutrient solution into the water. So it's 100 different ionic land and sea minerals, and it's the first plant food that's in liquid form that is universal. So it can be used for any plant at any time of the year and doesn't need to be changed depending on what's growing. So it actually there's a study being done showing that this produce is actually more nutrient dense than produce you can get at organic produce from Whole Foods. So it's actually higher nutrient content. We actually don't spray anything on our produce, so I say we're beyond organic, because even organic farms can still spray all kinds of things on their food, and we spray nothing. My vision for this farm was to have it be an art installation as well as food production. So I have art pieces all over the farm. I do these mosaics. I have a couple of different pieces around. And my goal is to not only have it produce food, but also for it to look beautiful and for it to be a space that people want to hang out in. My ideal is to kind of have this be a model for other young people to see that they can be in farming and also make a living and be in the cities that they want to be. So I'd like to go to different cities that I want to be in, and so maybe spend a year there setting up a farm and training people how to run it, and then leaving it in their hands that they can then have this as their own project. It's fun. It's me. I'm 25 and I manage several different interns from UC Santa Barbara, and so it's a bunch of young kids running this farm, and it's more than paying for itself in just the